Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you want to format and publish your blog post by us, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can change or add new password for your WordPress blog. Now I am on my website dashboard. I can change password from two places from this dashboard. So firstly I am showing the first place. After that I will show the second place. Come to the right side here. After hovering there, you will get this option. Here it's showing edit profile. So hover here and click on edit profile. After that, come to the downside and here you will get this option, account management and set new password. So if I click on set new password, then WordPress automatically giving a new password. If you wish, you can keep that password or you can customize that password with add some new word or new character, or if you wish you can give a new password as per your expectation. For example, Steve and star hash at the rate number again character uppercase lowercase. I mean, you have to give a complex password which one is not easy to hack or anyone can't take your password. So when you are setting new password, that time always try to give at least 12 to 16 character long password and mix of uppercase, lowercase, and try to add number and try to add special character. For example, semicolon, at the rate, hash, or percentage, those kind of special character. And always try to avoid predictable pattern or dictionary word. I mean, never try to use any word which one we are talking or we are using everyday life. After that, for my safety purpose, if anyone already logged in with your previous password, they will be log out if you click here. So I am clicking log out everywhere else. So for this website with this username, everyone is already logged out. So you are very safe now. After that, I need to save this password. So I am going to down and click on update profile. So password already saved. And now I will show how you can get the same option in another place. For that, you have to go to the left side and this user section. This user section. Click here. After that, you will get this, and when you will hover here, you will get option for edit. Then it's the same page already I described how you can set new password. You can set password here, you can log out everyone else. After that, just click on update profile, so your password will change and you can log in with the new password. So today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.